Hey Hirsch, what you doing, huh? You want to show off? Hershey! Hi Hershey! Hershey's pretty, huh? He's a handsome guy. Were you rolling in the grass, huh Hirsch? You got an itch? Say hi! There you are! There's Bowie. Hey Bowie! What you doing, huh Bo? We're just checking stuff out. It's a pretty day. There's the Salish Sea and the Georgia Strait and all the mountains straight out there. It's real nice out. Hi Hershey. Can you look at the camera, Hirsch? Hershey, say hi. Hershey, look at me. Not that way. Hirsch. Well, he's interested in something else, huh Hirsch? Bowie, there you are. Hiking buddies. Say see you later, alligator.